Welcome back to my series of videos where I reveal the various premium kits that I've received over a month. That will of course include the Premium Bandai and Gundam base kits. There may be some other ones that I'll throw in from time to time depending on who made them and how interesting I think they are. Since I already have quite a few premium kits already, I'm doing a short video series to go through those. This is the fourth one of that series, and this will include all the kits that didn't fit into the main grades. So things like RE100 and full mechanics and other things like that. So, okay, this first one here is a full mechanics from the Seed line. This is the Alley Calamity Gundam. This is part of the newer full mechanics line, which is all based on Seed. In fact, they're coming out with a brand new one. I can't remember what the new one is, but coming at, there's a standard line for the full mechanics. They extended it beyond just the iron-blooded orphans and such. In fact, there's also a aerial full mechanics coming out soon. That is part of the Witch from Mercury anime that's going now. The second season is about to come up. These next couple are Reborn 100s. So this is the Rebawu. And the Gundam Lindworm. Now these next ones, these last three, are high grade, but I decided to include them in this video because they include more than one mobile suit in it. It's a package deal that they've done, and most of the times it's been done with the iron-blooded orphans, but there is one other one that is, I believe it's narrative. So the first one here is the iron-blooded orphans, and this is the Grays ground type twin set. So there are two different Grays ground type mobile suits in there. This one here is also iron-blooded orphans. It's the Galahorn Aaronrod fleet. This is essentially the enemy fleet for the final battle in Iron-Blooded Orphans. This actually has 4 different suits. 2 of the suits in there are duplicates. It's the Greys with the weapons that they use at the end of Iron-Blooded Orphans. And this one here is a Gundam base, and this is a full armor Gundam versus the Psycho Zaku from, I'm sorry, this is Thunderbolt, not narrative. And this has both of those in there. This is essentially if you already have the kits for Thunderbolt, Psycho Zaku, and the Full Armor Gundam in HG, these are the same things. The only difference is that they do include water slide decals instead of the stickers. And I didn't have these, so this was a great way to get both of them. And that concludes the short series of the premium kits that I already have. So I will start either at the end, probably not at the end of this month because we're kind of at the end of the month or middle of the month anyway, and I don't have a lot coming in. But starting with May, I will start doing adding to this series where at the end of each month I'll do one of these videos with all the premium ones that I've gotten during the month. And for the May one, I'll include any April ones that come in. It's hard to tell when they're going to come in because it'll take 2 to 3 weeks to come from Japan, especially the ones that I get off of the Premium Bandai site. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you for the next one. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please do give it a thumbs up. That really does help out the channel. And if you would like to see more like this, please go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell. If you do have some time, I would really appreciate it if you could watch one of the videos that are popping up around my head.